Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common household problem, how to expel and get rid of moths effectively. Dealing with moths can be frustrating, but with the right strategies you can protect your home and belongings from these pests. Whether you're dealing with clothes moths or pantry moths, our tips will help you get rid of them and prevent future infestations. Let's get started. First, identify the problem by recognizing moth damage. Look for holes in clothes and contaminated food with larvae or webbing. There are two main types of moths that can infest your home: clothes moths and pantry moths. Each requires a slightly different approach to eliminate. Locate the sources of infestation by thoroughly inspecting your closets, drawers, and pantry shelves. Finding the breeding grounds is crucial for effective treatment. Start by cleaning and vacuuming the infested areas. Vacuum closets, drawers, and pantry shelves to remove eggs and larvae, and wipe down surfaces with a mild detergent. Wash infested clothes and linens in hot water and place delicate items in the freezer for a few days to kill any remaining eggs and larvae. Set up pheromone moth traps in closets and pantries. These traps attract and capture adult moths, helping to reduce the population. Use natural repellents such as lavender sachets, cedar blocks, and essential oils to deter moths. These items can help keep moths away from your clothes and food. Store clothes properly in airtight containers and garment bags to prevent moths from accessing and laying eggs on your fabrics. Use airtight containers for food storage and regularly check for signs of moths to prevent infestations. Staying vigilant is key to keeping moths at bay. With these tips, you can effectively get rid of moths and keep them from coming back. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home care guides and pest control tips. Stay connected and happy homemaking.